to go ahead and start to get ready to do step 100 in our 1XX project. What we want to do is we want to make sure that we have all the things that we need open and ready to go. And the first thing that we do is we make sure that we have our GitHub open, repo on GitHub. We make sure that we have our local host open and that our web server is running. We also make sure that we have our server open in another tab, and in that tab is you can see my HTTPS has resolved at this point, and I am using HTTPS, so everything that we do moving forward will have HTTPS in it. Additionally, I have the homework, the lesson open, of course, and missing one tab, which is Agabus hosting. If we do this now, when we're in thought and we're coding or we're doing things, we have everything that we need available to us, and we don't have to go looking and lose our train of thought. It's really important to do this. Go ahead, I have my Dreamweaver open, and I have my site 1XX open that we defined in the preparing for the project, and you can see it's pointing everywhere. One little point to point out in Dreamweaver, I encourage you not to use this. I encourage you to use Cmder so that you learn how to use Git properly. But a very important little tool that we have in here is if you click on this Show Git View, what you see is it'll actually show you what branch you're in below that. And yes, you can do lots of Git things in here, but I'm not going over that. That's the only Git feature we'll use for a while. I switched it back to my server view. So that's my show file view, server view, whatever. That's my Git view. Here's my, when I go to remote server, that's my Agabus hosting server. That's what's on my Agabus hosting. My local view is what's inside my WAMP64 www 1XX folder. So to get started, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and create a branch. And the branch that we're going to create to start this this project and to do 100 is we're going to go ahead and we're going to say git checkout, because we want to check out the branch when we create it. We're going to say -b to create a branch, and when we create a branch name, we have to put it inside of our quotes. I'm going to go ahead and name the branch. We're going to do things in baby steps, so I'm going to call it branch 100-0. The next branch that we create will be 100-1, of course, and to create the branch now, I have the proper code in. I'm going to hit enter, and you can see that it has actually checked the branch out, 100-0 for me, and I am actually ready to begin working. So if I come over here and I look in Dreamweaver and I click on the little show Git view, I can actually see that I'm in branch 100-0. And at this point, we're ready to begin working. I'm going to cut and you can move on to the next video. We will do all of our branching and merging and Git activities. We'll try to break them into separate videos so you don't become dependent or bogged down by them, and eventually, hopefully, you'll start skipping over them. So we'll start coding in the next video.